So today we have the diffuser going on. We're just going to move the cars around. Finally getting round to putting the actual diffuser on now. We've just marked up all the holes from what you've seen in the video. We've done the sides, they were quite fiddly, but they're worth it because it looks really good. But yeah, I'm just peeling back all the plastic now from these. Let's see, this is the best bit. But first I need to prep the diffuser that's on it at the moment with the alcohol wipe that we were given, as you'll see me doing from the spoiler that I put on yesterday. So yeah. It looks quite cool when it's sat on, like that, because it's going to be a little bit better aligned than that, but yeah. I'm just about to prep the bumper, but first I'm just going to put the little bolts in, so that when I actually come to fit it, I can just put it through the holes and then it'll stick with a 3M tape. And then obviously I'm just literally about to go into it with the 3M wipe. They're like the alcohol wipe that you're given just so that it actually sits on there. And a tip is literally stick something through the hole at this side and then you can reach around and then push it down. It's just easier. And there, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but there's two holes just there. So that's done. Alcohol wipe now. I'm going to peel off this. So now that's been held on by the 3M tape, it's all nice and lined up. This is how it's looking at the moment. I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, I've got the side one as well. Show me what it looks like from back here. Yeah, that's cool that. Just that. Yeah. It's on there now, and then I'll show you the other little parts that I've got for it. So the back, pretty much done, really. I might push my exhaust tips out a little bit more because they're kind of getting drowned by them, but yeah, there you go. I've got some other bits as well. So these are the fins. So they just literally sit at the very back. I think they're only like 20 quid or something like that, because I wanted to see how they looked with it on. And I think I'm just going to leave these on, but they're literally screw in, so I'm going to do that later. The new badges as well, because mine are chipped. So there's that, and then another replacement for the back, but I don't know whether to do the back one, because the back one's fine. They're both alright. Yeah. I think I might just do it, because I want everything to be like new. So I'm literally just, yeah, I'll put both of these ones on. The sticker vents as well, just for the side. They're all the extra parts. These are all like the little bits that I've bought for it. So here's the back all finished. Don't know how you can see that. Washed the car as well. And what I'm doing now, let's see what it looks like from here. We are going to do, whilst it's still nice, these vents here just at the side. So for the next part, these vent stickers that literally just sit here. So I've taken the previous ones off, cleaned it up and prepped it ready for these ones to go on. Yeah, they literally just sit like that, and it just makes it look a little bit better, I think. And now we're going to attempt the other side. Surprisingly, this side went on a lot easier. I don't know how or why, but yeah, it's alright then, isn't it? That's that side, all nice and new again. And this side, it's time to do the badge. Because yeah, I'm not happy with that crack. So the next thing to do is the badge, get rid of that, and then replace the white behind. And for that, I got a tool with my indicator, sweeping indicator lights. I'm sure you can get something like that off of Amazon. It's just literally a little hooked thing, that's all. And it's just so easy to just slide underneath, and on the badge it just straight unclips. Like that. Now the front is so much easier than the back. The front just literally has the little clips, but I'm not going to be doing the back because it don't need replacing. But when I come to do it, I'll do a video because it's literally really fiddly. You've got to kind of ply it all around and stuff like that. So yeah, literally all that's on here is just stickers, white vinyl. So all I'm going to do is just peel them off and then make another cutout shape for them, put them back on and put the new badge on there. So I can get rid of this now, unless I just respray it and keep it as another spare. That might come in quite handy unless something happens to the other one. So now that's off, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean it and prepare it ready for the other vinyl to go onto it. And then I can put the new badge on and it'll be nice and neat and clean. I didn't want to leave it black behind because then when you put a black badge on like that, it kind of looks a bit rubbish really, because it looks like there's no badge like that. It looks exactly the same as having that. So it's nice to put the white inlays on the behind, so it kind of stands out, breaks it up, because a lot of people just literally black it out. So yeah. So the next task is to get these little fins on, and they literally just sit like this at the side. I think it looks quite cool, because I didn't get any side skirts for it because I wasn't sure which ones to get out of the 7 and the 7.5, and I preferred the 7.5 because they had like a fin like this that came up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it all out, get some masking tape it up to make sure it sits in the exact same spots so that I can fit it. And all it literally is you just drill straight up and it will just sit like that. Look quite cool. Masking tape it up, draw on it, so that I know that everything's in line. So yeah, see how that goes. So I managed to film as much as I could when we was installing the little fins at the side here. But it started chucking it down. But now it's dried off a little bit. But yeah, this is how they look. Don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, they come off just there. It's quite cool actually, especially from the side. And then we'll walk around to the back. So the back is fully finished now. I think it looks so much better. Like, look at that. And we've got the diffuser on, the spoiler, and the fins, and then this other side. Yeah. That looks well better now. So yeah, that's how they look on. And then the front gets done tomorrow. So I can't wait.